CBEX just resumed work after cutting away, even after crashing with 1.2 trillion naira. So CBEX update now that they have started working back. So should we now say we are going to be able to recover back our money? So that is the best question to ask for now. So let me now say, for now I'm seeing Operation Suck. They don't try this time. So a lot of tweets here. CBEX has reportedly resumed operation, promising offer quicker, let me say 100% ROI. So do you understand this thing now? So they are ready to scam you guys again. But for me, you can see the way EFCC was trying their best to recover back this money. But the only thing I can say we have to wait for us to recover our money is to see our balance back on our dashboard. Actually, almost everybody was about to seeing around $0.01. $0.01 after the day of crashing last 2 weeks. So do you now notice that now the only way to recover back our money is to return back our balance? So immediately our balance is back, then we are able to withdraw, buy. We are going to cash away back our money. But now that EFCC say that they have also recovered some tokens, they have recovered some amount of money, but the manager of EFCC, let me say the director, say that he can't actually pronounce the amount of money he was able to recover. They was able to recover. But for now, let me now say the only thing I want EFCC to help us to do, let me say they should just arrest the people in charge of CBEX. Then they should return back our previous balance. If our previous balance was about we are seeing our normal balance, then we can now withdraw back our money. Even some people now say they don't even want their profit anymore. They don't want profit anymore. They don't want their investing, the amount of capital they invest into CBEX. So guys, what do you think now? What do you think is going to happen now? Are we actually are we going to get our money back from CBEX? Just let me know in the comment section. So now, do you now think since CBEX is back after their disruption, do we now think maybe they are going to give us our money? But for me, they are using this medium to just to scam us. Maybe EFCC can just withdraw from dragging them. But for me, CBEX don't crash. The only thing we have to do now is to get our money back. So let me just know your latest updates. Have you actually see your balance back from CBEX? Let me know in the comment section, guys.